Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There's a narration in Sahih Muslim, Tirmizi, and others where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam he said, when the light of iman enters the heart of a person, that it expands and there's an opening that happens. The companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him, Ya Rasulullah, what are the signs of it? How do we know that the iman has entered the heart of an individual? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave three signs: الإنابة إلى دار الخلود والتجافى عن دار الغرور والاستعداد للموت قبل نزوله. That there are three signs to know that the light of Iman has entered the heart of a person. The first one is that a person turns to the abode which is everlasting, the next life that is to come. And the word that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used for turning to the next life is al-inaba, which is a type of turning from within. So it's not just turning externally to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by doing external actions, but also internally you feel from within that you want to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You feel from within that you want to get close to Allah Azza wa Jal, that you want to stay away from sins, that you want to do those things that are pleasing to your Lord. That's the first sign. The second one is what tajafa, that a person stays away an daril ghurur, from this place of deception. So the person doesn't attach themselves to this life, but they recognize that a time will come when they have to leave. And tajafa basically means to leave something ma'a karahiyatihi, while disliking it. So it's not just leaving it, but leaving while disliking it. That, internally you leave, that love leaves the heart. And then the final thing is وَالْإِسْتِعْدَادُ لِلْمَوْتِ قَبْلَ نُزُولِهِ, that a person prepares for death before it arrives, that a person always find themselves in that position and in that situation when death comes, they are ready to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said in a narration, Tuhfatul Mu'min al-Maut, that the gift of a believer is death. May Allah allow us to have these three signs in our lives. May Allah Azza wa Jal allow the light of Iman to enter our hearts till we meet Him. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of our good deeds and allow us to stay away from this abode of deception and recognize and realize its reality.